Hi, this is Lester, and I just want to show you how you can use the days calculator found in timesheetcalc.xyz. So the main purpose of this calculator is just to add days or subtract days depending how you want it. So you can add days like for this date, reference date is today, and then let's add 12 days from now. That would be May 8, 2022. So let's validate. No, that's too much to validate. Let's validate 5 days. So that's May 1st, 2022. Let's try to count. 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's pretty much right. You can subtract days, 5 days. So that's April 21st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's pretty much working properly. So you can use it like that. And yeah, the main purpose is to add and subtract. So you don't have to count off your calendar like what you're doing. So that's pretty much it. How you can use this calculator. Thank you.